Oh, I hear it. I hear it. Oh, hello. That's the wrong house. Boys, the 240 is back. Dude, the 240's here, boys. The 240 is here. That sounds like he's driving right by my house. Dude, how hyped are you?
Okay, there's some work, just nitpicky things.
But like overall, how hyped are you?
Overall, you'll see when the light in the garage, it's hard to tell, but it is a big difference.
I could see it when it was rolled down the street. It was a big difference, dude. It looks so good. Yeah. That would have been RIP to the bumper if it was there.
It's exhausting.
This is a dope sunroof. Get a tan and everything. So keep in mind, we only have like 2 lights from the old garage in here right now. It is super, super dim. But look at this thing. Boom! Dude, this is so cool. So like it's still red, but it used to be more of like a that red, like a kind of, you know what I mean? No, it used to be like a bright like fire truck red almost, and now it's like a darker, more metallic-y red. I think it looks sick. I think we need more lights in this new shop, but I think this looks sick. Like you can't look at this and tell me this thing does not look hot. This looks, I don't even know. I don't even know, dude. It looks so good. It looks so good. So what color is this?
Ford Candy Apple Red.
Ford Candy Apple Red, huh? I feel like that's not very specific, and there's gonna be some people that are kind of mad about it, but hey, it's the mystery color.
Candy Pearl Red. That's the actual name. I don't know the paint code. I just found it on the card. Slapped it on.
And it looks good.
So yeah, it kind of looks like orange peel right now because it hasn't been like it literally just been sprayed.
It got sprayed today, right?
He finished it for you.
Like, aside from anything, if you guys remember the prep videos, this fender was the one that looked like it literally got chewed up and spit back out. This fender was the absolute worst thing that this 240 had going for it. I could see myself in it. Look at that, dude. They did such a good job on that.
Wait till it's like polished and cut.
I know, it's not even polished and cut. Like, one thing I need to stress to you guys, not zoomed in like that, is that this is not even the finished. This is the color reveal, but this is not even like the finished 240. What the hell is the roof?
You can't really, okay, you can kind of tell. I wanted to put the tri-coat, the tinted coat, like on the whole thing. So like the red and the black. So because the tinted coat is meant for the red, it has like a slight red in it.
Okay.
So I wanted on the roof, so it kind of like blended in. It like from far away it looks black, but when you get close, it's like right now it kind of looks purple in this light. But in Nate's shop, it was like a dark cherry.
On the camera, you can see it's like a different color, but then if I focus it right here, it like goes black. And holy, does it have a lot of friggin' metallics in it.
Yeah, so the red and the black kind of like, you know.
If you guys could see the amount of things we have on our plate right now to get done, not even just on this car, but like in general before Calgary, which is literally in less than 48 hours. You guys will probably break down and cry like I really want to do too. It's pretty late. We're just gonna start putting everything we have back on the car. We're gonna prep it for coils so we can do coils in the morning. It's gonna be a little bit of a shit show. Everybody wants you to get kookies, bro, but the 50/50s are where it's at. And we've said that since we installed them in like literally the first 240 video ever. But look at how perfect. Dude, that's good. That's good. They go so minty. Yeah, that's hot. So now that you guys have seen the color reveal, that's only half of today's video. Today we're going to be installing new coilovers on the 240. Why so close? At the elbow of your head? Yeah. We're going to be installing new coilovers on the 240. You guys never saw the old ones, but they were stance coilovers. Those ones were extremely seized. They couldn't be adjusted anymore. They literally were just like, they were what they were and they were not the best. So today we're gonna be replacing those old janky coilovers. Right now they're on stock suspension. That's when Emerson did a solo video a couple weeks ago. Or I don't even know how long it was. We're on stock suspension right now. Oh yeah, it was the Sunny video. Yeah. It's the coilovers. Today, we're gonna do the coilovers. So he put it on stock suspension to get it painted so that it would sit higher and it would be easier to paint. And then today we're going to be replacing the stock suspension and we're going to be replacing the old coilovers with a nice little package from my friends at Silver's. So this is a heavy box to throw up like that. We're going to be replacing this with some Silver's Neo Max coilovers. These are, Silver's has 2 options. One is just like the regular coilovers and the other one has this, what is it called? It's got like the little compressor outside. The little tank.
Has a rebound reservoir.
The rebound reservoir. We didn't get that. But we did get the top hat that,
yeah. It's It's so when your coil doesn't turn, like your coil turns with your knuckle instead of the top of the.
Do you want to show them?
Yeah.
Let's show them.
If you're like when you kept all the boxes, you know when you like buy something new, just in case if you know something happens.
Yeah.
Like your laptop, your MacBook thing, you keep the box, right? We kept every single box we got. Holy, we could have built a fort.
We could build a fort. Dude, we could build a whole house, not just a fort. Oh, the old coilovers look like they came from under the earth. It looked like you dug them out from under the ground and put them on the car. They were adjustable at one point, but they weren't. We tried to unseize them. They couldn't be unseized. The car needed these.
It smells like an equipment store, like a sports store, you know? It smells like basketballs.
Oh, it smells like basketballs and new shoes.
Yeah, like, you know, like a sports store.
All right, let's go. Hello.
Whoa. Oh my God, it moves.
Something you have never seen before.
Hard, soft, nice.
These coilovers had made me hard.
I leave it there by accident. Oh my God, coming.
Oh, bro, you need to soften that coil up a little bit. That was a rough ride.
Oh yeah, it's good. And then you know when you like for people that fall asleep, they have those dents.
The rumble strips?
Yeah, and then you put it to hard and you hit it.
So that makes this big boy under here. Oh, they're girthy.
Whoa.
Oh, baby.
Oh, look. It's that right there.
Yeah, so in here there's like ball bearings. I'm sure someone can explain this better than I can, but in here there's like ball bearings. My BRZ coils have this as well, where this will spin separately. So you're not spinning the whole thing at once, and it just makes it smoother, and it makes it quieter. I think it makes it quieter. Bruh, your car's leaking on the new floor, man. Come on, man.
Probably the oil drain.
Don't sneeze in my video like that. Ew, dude, there is cobwebs growing in there. That's juicy. Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Oh my God. Feel that one. Oh. That definitely weighs more than the coilover.
No. This weighs as much as all four. This weighs as much as the whole box. So we're gonna place Fat Uncle Sam with Skinny Cousin Tony over here.
Holy.
Look at the weight reduction on those silvers. That was a bad one. Yeah, I didn't. It wasn't, yeah.
Yo, there she goes. Those things are so hard to keep track of.
Yeah, it has camber adjusters right here. I just noticed that. Where the bolt goes, if the hole's facing towards you,
it's less camber.
That's less camber. If the hole's facing this way, it's more camber. You can literally adjust it just using that. Dude, that's not bad. So you want to, yeah, we got to get rid of some of that. Otherwise, you're going to have the fuggliest.
We're going to kick it out.
Emerson sauced the camber arms back on there, and it it looks like it's going to be a little bit funny. So we put a couple, oh, this is the wrong wheel, eh?
I know.
Rotation backwards. But we're gonna jack it up and see, because it looks like it might just be a little bit of a rub-a-dub-dub situation right here. That's actually not bad.
We need to go lower.
You do need to go lower. This stock suspension garbage pile right here, look at it. Look at it. It leaked all over the place. I thought Emerson had an oil leak. I was like, yo, your car's dripping fluids. Like, I just cleaned the floor in the new garage, and I was like, there's fluid there, and it wasn't there. Your car has an oil leak. And then he reached in there and grabbed it, and it was soaked. And the car's been here for like not even a full day, and it already did all that to my floor. So that's a no bueno. Round two. Oh, that's it, Chief. Because it's gonna settle too. Unless you just want to full send it.
I'm trying to full send it here, boys.
So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this dialed in. We're gonna jack it back up. We're gonna dial in everything so all the ride heights are perfect, because the front's gross. I didn't even show you guys the front because it's gross. It needs to go lower in the front. We're gonna dial everything in. We're gonna slap the bumpers on, and then we will reveal the final paint and coilover combo, whatever you want to call it. We will reveal the whole thing to you guys right now. So as you guys can probably see, the front is a little bit higher than the rear. We actually, like, the last week has been complete mayhem with the moving and the going to Calgary and all this stuff, so it's just been completely crazy. The front end needs to be dropped a little bit on the coilovers, but the rear's also loaded right now. All those rollers were done on the way to Calgary, and the rear's sagging super hard. Either way, they still look super good. The 240 is a little bit dirty now, but I hope you guys are super stoked on the color and the coils. And the plus side of the way we did this was Emerson's actually drove like 1,500 kilometers on these coilovers since we installed them. So just due to like the crazy schedule we've been on, I haven't even been able to film the end of this video. So he's driven a good 1,500 kilometers on these, and he can tell you straight up just how they've been. So we're gonna do that. Unfortunately, this is not how I wanted this video to kind of be going right now, but we were on our way home from Calgary right now. You guys kind of get a sneak peek into what's happening, because this is like, there's a lot of videos between the one you're seeing right now and today, but today the 240 might have just blown right out. We're maybe gonna tow the 240 back to Birdie's shop. I have no idea right now, but we're literally just out here in the middle of nowhere, right off the highway. Okay, come over here where there's no wind and tell these peeps about the coils. Come over here, come over here.
Just the damping, because it's a little stiff when there's no weight.
Yeah, but like they're nice, right?
They're nice. They're way better than the ones I had before. They haven't, I don't know if they, it looks like they settled a bit.
Yeah, they definitely settled a bit.
Because it was higher when we left.
Yeah.
There's like, well, now there's weight in the car, but.
Yeah, but like as far as like ride quality and stuff, good?
Oh yeah.
Would recommend to a friend?
Yeah.
The coils are good, the color is good. We had an amazing weekend in Calgary. Thanks to everybody that came out and said hello. There is videos to come of all of that happened. But for now, we're trying to figure this out. This video took place over so many days. It's not the way a video normally goes, but it is what it is. Sometimes schedules get crazy and videos get kind of wild. So wish us luck. Enjoy the next couple of videos coming your way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Would recommend these coilovers to a friend. Peace out and stay committed.